people. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in. News coming out of Jamaica, people. Gunmen shot and killed a man in Waterford, Portmore, St. Catherine this afternoon. The deceased has been identified as 31-year-old Anthony I. Dr. Scully. It is reported that he was cleaning a gully along Fabric Way when he was attacked. The Christmas cleaning project, which started yesterday, has been halted due to the fatal shooting. Cops on the scene got into a scuffle with a brother of the deceased while probing the shooting.
On the next street.
In other news coming out of Jamaica, people, 2 goat farmers were killed in Westmoreland. It goes on to say the Westmoreland police have theorized that praedial larceny is the motive surrounding the killing of 2 goat farmers. The victims have been identified as Henry Mass Hen Jones, 65, and Brian Foley Chambers, 44, both of Crowder District in Grange Hill, Westmoreland. Their bodies were discovered on Tuesday morning in bushes in a section of Grange Hill known as Jacob Hill Mountain. Reports by the police are that both men left home about 6:30 a.m. on Monday to tend to their herd of goats on a property located at Jacob Hill Mountain. Relatives and friends grew concerned when they did not return at their usual time, about 10:30 a.m., and went in search of them. The search was called off on Monday evening due to bad light. Residents continued their search on Tuesday after reporting both men missing to the Grange Hill police, who also joined in the search. Their bodies were found around 9 a.m. They appeared to have been chopped and shot multiple times. The scene was processed and the bodies removed to the morgue for a post-mortem. Chambers' mother, Hilda Wedderburn, could hardly hold back tears as she sat at the entrance of her unfinished house. She goes on to say, "Me can't believe, say, they murdered me one boy Pitney." The elderly woman who said repeatedly, "Brian is a person you can call for do anything. A him alone a build me house. Just where you see it reach ya, Brian alone a build it. A them come take him away from me." Jones' grandniece Nikisha said he was well loved by everyone in his community. Tomorrow, well actually today, Mass Hen would have celebrate his birthday and him and everybody get along, she said. So that's some crazy news coming out of Jamaica, people. Christmas time a come, so it's like praedial larceny is at an all-time high, people. It's an all-time high, people. A thief goat, a thief cow, a thief pig. My thing is, why not just thief the goat and let the man them live? Why you have to kill the man them on top of that? And that just, people, make me realize it probably is somebody that them probably know. You see me? It's probably somebody that's known to the community, because nobody from out of town not just gonna walk up into an area and just thief a goat. Majority of the time, people from the same area watch you, see what you have, and because them decide them don't work for what them want, them just come take it from you and end up killing you, which is very, 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 very sad, people. Very sad that these guys had to lose their life in this type of manner. You see me, people? This one is still fresh. It just happened not, well, today, actually Monday, but the article came out today. So if I get more information on this one, people, I will let you guys know as usual. Isn't it, people?